Seriously, honey? You gotta get right in the way.
Do you know what it is?
It's a big jumping.
Yeah.
Go get him. Pick him up. Pick him up. Pick him up. Wait.
And she'll pick you up.
Go.
Woo!
Jump higher.
Higher. Put some oomph in it. Ever, you want to get in?
Whoa.
Woo, it's cold out here.
I just
No joke. Like a vagina. Go back where you came from. Okay, that's on recording now. Jump, Everett. Everett's like, I don't know. Yay!
Let go, buddy.
Look, bounce like brother. Look at brother.
No.
Woo, Cruz. Woo! Go, Cruzy, go. Cruz, can you say thank you?
Thank you.
Say it louder.
Thank you.
Say I love Christmas.
I love Christmas.
Whoa.
Keep going. Jump higher. Higher.
Open it.
Whoa.
That's what you want in?
Come on.
Oh, you already got it dirty.
How can I jump higher?
Really high. Just keep bouncing.
You got to use those leg muscles.
Now, land on your butt and jump. Just jump on your butt.
Get in.
Boom, boom, boom.
Here, take this.
When you land on your feet,
Actually, don't
push.
drop it.
Woo! Good job. Don't step on brother, okay?
Oh, here we go.
Oh God, that's amazing.
Oh, God.
John's got a big old.
Woo!
Wait. I knew it was gonna happen. John missed it.
Woo!
Alright. Adults out.
Everett's underneath it.
Stand still. Come on. Come here, Everett.
We knew this was going to happen, too.
Come on.
Oh!
Keep going, Cruz.
I got Cruz a little bit more air.
Jump real high.
Oh,
Woo!
no. Oh,
Wait,
oh, dizzy.
I know, and y'all thought I was kidding.
Oh,
Everett won't stop calling under it.
That's what we knew was going to happen.
Keep jumping. Push. Push down when you land.
Whoa. But he almost missed it. It almost came out of the vagina. Don't call it that.
You want back in?
Oh, no.
Oh, we don't land.
Don't bounce off the enclosure.
Okay, you do it.
Okay.
Jump, Everett. Jump. Nope. I'm done. Nope. He doesn't like it. Come here. Everett, stop. Come here.
You don't want to make it traumatizing.
Save me. Is that too scary for you still? Should we go in the house?
If he was all by himself in there, he might like it.
Do you want a coat? You just keep on bouncing now, son.
Boy's out of breath.
That's the point.